Po mga kababayan, sir, this is John, the Filipino channel, ang inyong pong lingkod. So today is April 18, 2026. At tayo ngayon ay papunta dyan sa may SM City Grand Central, sa may Rizal Avenue po extension yan. Barangay 88 Grace Park East, Caloocan. At dadalhin natin sa may Victorita Avenue, Malabon. Okay, magbabalik po tayo mamayang konti pag nakuha na po natin sila. Disclaimer lang po, ang content po natin ay kalsada at hindi ang passenger. Kaya naman, sakasakali man po na may marinig kayo mga pangalan ng lugar, pangalan ng tao, pangalan ng organizations, government or private man yan, ay wala akong kinalaman ng channel na ito. At wala akong pinapatungkulan. Lahat po na pinag-uusapan dito ay pawang dito lamang po yan sa loob. At wala pong pinapatungkulan sa labas. Magbabalik po tayo mamaya konti pag nakuha na po namin sila. Pinagtaan mo ng pagkagong ganito at talak na yan. Kansilado. Nag-cancel.
As I view these beautiful landscapes, it's hard to imagine the danger nearby. Living among these mountains are terrorists, rebels who need to hear about Jesus. We are hiking into dangerous territory where many of them live. We followed a small path as it leads us through the jungle. As I walk,
Sige,
I
ano
remind
na po natin yan, kasi central din naman yan. At mag-iba lang yung ano. Bakit mayroon yung ano? Mayroon yung ano, nag-iba lang yung ating pagdadrapan sa may ano na po yan. Saan? Arthur. Sa may bandang, yung pagdadrapan natin ay sa University Avenue, Potrero, Malabon, Brunisto. So yun. Okay, magbabalik po tayo mamaya konti po pag nakuha na po natin sila.
Always knew the military would find us one day, but we were still not ready.
One morning, as the family was eating breakfast, her husband saw movement in the distance. He instructed Jasleen to run and hide with the children as he grabbed his gun to return the fire. The sounds of gunshots grew louder as they fled. Jasleen had experienced battles before, but this was intense. Soon, the sounds of fighting stopped. Time the boys would ever see their father again as the enemy soldiers carried him away.
I vowed that my sons would become killers to be feared.
She taught them how to maneuver around the jungle, how to shoot to kill, to have no mercy. And they looked forward to the day when they could kill for revenge. Then at the young age of 13,
Ay, nako!
Time passed and her boys grew up in the rebel army. But God saw past the hatred. These were his children in need of love. With Jaslene's boys gone, her
So, na-drop na natin sila. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Hanggang sa muli po, ingat at God bless. Paalam po. Muna, pansamantala tayo gagawa ng ibang video sa ating susunod na mission. Paalam po.